In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Google Translate in Chrome if Chrome keeps offering to translate websites and you'd rather browse without those pop-up translation prompts. This is a simple setting you can change in just a moment. Once you turn it off, Chrome will stop automatically suggesting Google Translate while you're viewing pages in other languages. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the browser is fully open so you can access the settings menu. This process is done directly inside Chrome, so you won't need to visit any external website or install anything. Once Chrome is open, move to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three dots. This is the main Chrome menu, and it gives you access to a variety of browser options and settings. If you've never used this menu before, it's where many of Chrome's customization features are located. After the menu opens, click Settings. This will take you to Chrome's settings page where you can manage how the browser behaves. Depending on your version of Chrome, the layout may look slightly different, but the general steps are the same. Inside Settings, look to the left-hand sidebar and select Languages. This section controls language preferences in Chrome, including how the browser handles translated content. If the sidebar is collapsed or not immediately obvious, you may need to widen the window a little so the navigation panel is easier to see. Once you're in the Languages section, find the Google Translate area. Here you'll see an option labeled Use Google Translate. To turn off translation prompts, simply toggle that setting to the off position. When the switch is turned off, Chrome will no longer offer to translate pages automatically. That's all you need to do. The setting usually saves right away, so there's no need to click a separate save button. You can close the settings tab and continue browsing normally. If you ever change your mind later, you can return to the same languages section and turn Google Translate back on using the same toggle. This is helpful if you sometimes browse multilingual websites and want the feature available again in the future. Turning off Google Translate can make browsing feel cleaner and less distracting, especially if you already understand the languages you visit or simply prefer not to see translation prompts. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to turn off Google Translate in Chrome.